This video is to show the people who wanted to know how to fit the bare ribbons to components in a laptop. This is a Advent Roma 2000 power switch board. It's got a Brocken switch on it, so I'm going to use it for demonstration purposes to show how to remove the cable and how to refit one. I've already taken the right hand side cable out of this board, and the way it's done is on the edges of the socket there's two little blocks on the edges that you've got to pull outwards. These ones are pulled out. If you look on this one, it's still fitted, they're shoved in. Now when you take them out or refit them, they must be the right way around. That's the side with the shiny contacts on, and the other side has a blue pad on it. It's insulation, and it's where the little wedge shaped grippers push up against to hold it into the socket. Now to put it in, all you do is slide it into the socket and then push the brown blocks back up to hold it in, and that's all they are. It's just like a little wedge that holds them in. You pull it back, take it out, push it back in, push the little blocks up again, and that's all they are. They're just like little wedge shaped wedges. And this board, as I said before, is off a Advent Roma 2000. Now anybody replacing this board on that type of machine, the board could come with ribbons attached to it, ready fitted to it. Now what I do and what I advise you to do is, when the new board comes, remove the ribbons out of it and fit the original ribbons on the machine into these two sockets and fit the board without the new ribbons. The reason being, the ribbons that are already fitted internally are stuck to the motherboard. Now it's the preference of the person who's doing the job. They can put the new ribbons in, but it's much easier to just change the ribbons for the original ones, and nearly always it's the board fault, not the ribbons. So it's your own preference of what you do. So that's some help to you. Okay.